Hi there, welcome back. In this short video, I'm going to show you quick actions on the Bumper web app where you can just click a button to do something very quickly. So to start with, let's look here. You can see here where you have your name, your username. Once you click on this option, there's a drop down where you can see some information. So to view your profile, just click on this here. Now click on maintenance mode to set your store to maintenance mode. Basically, this means that your store or your website will be offline and customers cannot shop on it until you set it back and take it off maintenance mode. Now here, you can actually customize your message to have exactly what you want your customers to read. And once you're done, you click on set to maintenance mode and you're good to go. When you want to take your store off maintenance mode, you come back here and you repeat the process. Next on this list is the dashboard walkthrough. Now, if you remember in the previous video, we saw the dashboard walkthrough after signing up. If you want to replay it, maybe you feel like you missed a thing or two, you can just click here and it will play all over again. And next you have the KYC tiers. So here you can upgrade to tier 2 or set up tier 1 for your KYC. And then finally, if you want to log out, you just click on this log out button. Now down here, we have quick actions. You can create a new order by just clicking here. Instead of going to orders and then going to the orders page, you can just click create new order here. Same for add a new product. It just takes you to the add products page. And also other things like run sales and ask Bumper. Then finally, we have the to-do list. Now you can see some things that are left pending for you to quickly attend to. For example, you can click on this and it shows you all your unpaid orders, and you can just click here to bulk edit any of that information. And you can repeat the same for your to-do list until you're done. Before I go, there's just one last thing to share, which is that you can click here and immediately check through our knowledge articles or chat with support. And that's it. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.